one of the key things to be able to then do most of the work we do is to get them out of a tissue causing symptom model. So they think something's broken, and because you can't really get someone to sit and be still with their own body or do some manual therapy on them if they're scared it's broken. So what do you think? Any idea what might cause it?
Do you know what? I pushed a lot of weights when I was young, and overloading on the shoulders especially. So I don't know if that's crushing the spine or not, but yeah, weights and frame myself around.
So what this means is that perceptions are actively inferred, meaning that they are enacted in the moment in which we perceive them. There is never a separation between what is happening in mental space and what is reflected in our physiology and in our bodies. Yeah? It just isn't separate. They are happening at once all the time. And so that means that we do not perceive or remember. We often think about memory like we're thinking about going to a library and sifting through files and just looking at an image. No, that's not how it is. When we're remembering something, we are remembering the entire context of that thing that happened. The physiological change, the smell, the sight, the conversation, the visual information, the body posture, the body tension, all of that is amalgamated together to form a memory. It's not just an image, it's not an isolated piece of sensory data. It's the whole thing. And the same with pain, right? Pain is not just one particular brain area that lights up. Pain is distributed across the whole brain. So it activates all different parts of the brain that are responsible for taking action to protect ourselves.